the cars out today. Car just gets up in speed so easily.
2 seconds later.
God damn!
I've been in full speed, I'm going straight to the top.
YouTube, what is going on? It's Tez. We back with another video. As you can see, I got the single turbo 335 right here today, and we're gonna be doing something a little special. So I got the car to the point where I could just drive it normally, not have to worry about the transmission. I know y'all seen my earlier video, but probably about 2 or 3 videos ago, about me talking about the transmission, how I blew the other one up, and that was totally my fault. It wasn't because the transmission is garbage. It was my fault. It was a lack. Just know it was my fault. So as you can see, we got the 335 here. Just gonna do a little walk around for y'all on the NT05s. Sticky ickies. So right now the car is on 93 octane only. It's fully dialed in, tuned by Doc Vu. Pretty much on wastegate right now. I had the duty cycle turned way down because out here in Georgia it's like really cold, and when I had got the car tuned last year back in the summer, I had the duty cycle I think up like to 15 for it to make like 18-19 pounds of boost. So this car, the wastegate for this car makes around 16-17 psi. Is really wastegate for this car. So I had to turn it down because the turbo, like the air is much cooler and thinner and whatnot. So I don't want to do too much talking, but yeah, I'm just gonna do like a little POV video for y'all today. Hopefully this is good for y'all. Brom, and we got the nice Brom seats in the inside, as you can see. So we're gonna do that. Let's just hop right in the car. Let's go.
2 seconds later.
All right, so yeah, you probably can't see that my car got I got a lot of dash lights. So I got something going on with the it's an ABS wire that's on the side, like we're in near the turbo. I guess the turbo burned it when I first put the turbo on, and then so now I'm just trying to figure that out. All I really have to do is take the wheel off, unplug the ABS sensor cable that plugs into this wheel well, take that off, and then it's just a broken wire. I just got to reconnect it and put some electrical tape on it. So M3 right there. So I got a new trans in it, fully serviced the right way. Downshift sounds crazy, bro. So I just want to give y'all like a POV video what it's like to drive my car. It's been a minute. I'm definitely gonna post more videos like this. I apologize. It's been probably like a week and some change since I uploaded the video. So like I said, I had to do some stuff with the car. I've been hella busy, but now I got some time. I felt like recording. So we're gonna get into it. We're gonna get active. So hopefully y'all enjoy these sounds. Bro, that light was so long, bro. Y'all not really gonna be able to see how long it was because I'm gonna jump cut that, but oh my God. Come on, bro. I know you seen we get over at the last second. Tell you. Bro, look what just pulled up beside me. TRX. But too bad I gotta get on the highway, so not really tripping.
1 eternity later.
About to get on the highway. Downshift's crazy. Bro, this car never gets old, bro. Bro, they brought all the cars out today. Car just gets up in speed so easily. Get a little 40 in real quick. like that. The trans is probably hot. That's the only thing I gotta do with this car, bro. So realistically, I just gotta, not realistically, but the only thing I gotta do is get a transmission cooler, bro. This trans gets hot too fast. Like, that's the only thing I don't like. Shoot, we was moving right there. Definitely moving right there. See? Goes in a 5 easily. But nah, the car spun off that 40. The car definitely spun off that 40. I was driving. See, I'm gonna let the car cool off a little bit. But like when I'm in sport mode and I floor it, the trans takes it. It literally takes it. So we're gonna slow down a little bit. For this car to be yo, for this car to be on 93 and doing what it's doing, it's crazy. It's crazy, bro. Like, you would think that you would get used to it by then, but nah, bruh. Nah, we ain't getting used to that. Boy, that's pulling. Who's this coming up on me right here? Oh, I thought it was 12. Thought I was gonna have to do the dash. Nah, that's crazy, bro. I don't know if y'all can hear like the turbo spooling and whatnot. Beautiful. Let's get a couple turbo flutters in. Cheat code, bro. These dash lights is definitely gonna be going soon. I know that I said that in the other video, but it's a process, bro. Like, it's not a simple fix, bro. Like, I gotta do like a whole bunch of extra stuff just to get these lights off the dash. And my check engine is for a bank 202, so I'm supposed to be changing that probably tomorrow. I changed out my bank 102. I actually changed them both out, but my bank 202, it had to be bad. Like, I think it went bad, or it was a bad sensor, one of the two. But yeah, like, just driving this car like regularly, like normally slow, like in drive, it feels like a stock car, bro. Like, ride's good. I got Megan Racing coilovers. Like, it's dope, bro. Like, I don't got no complaints other than the lights on the dash. I know y'all don't like that, but I mean, I know my car. I know what is wrong with it, and as y'all can see, it's performing very well. Oh my God, bro. I hope the GoPro is picking up that. I hope it is, bro. We're gonna do one more pull for y'all, and then possibly just let just end this video. But yeah, this thing's definitely scooting, bro. I'm gonna slow down right here. Slow down a little bit. Just like that, bro. And I started in the wrong gear. That's crazy, bro. That's insane. But yeah, comment down below how y'all feel about the build, how y'all liking the build, what videos y'all want to see from me. The channel is growing really fast. We just recently hit over 1 million views on the channel. So I just want to thank each and every one of y'all that supports me and comments on my videos, share my videos, liking the video. Like, I appreciate y'all, man, like from the bottom of my heart, like for real, like y'all understand how much of a difference y'all making in my life. And with that, I'm gonna try my best to be able to change other people's lives in any way that I can, to invest in other people, because that's what it's all about. I take more enjoyment in blessing someone else than I do with me achieving anything. But although I do want to achieve my dreams and goals and whatnot, but along that process and even after, like, that's just what I live to do. So like I said, we just hit 1 million views on the channel, about to hit 3,000, coming up on 3,000 subscribers. Oh my God. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it. I might do another pull up here when I take this exit right here from my low gear. But yeah, other than that, I appreciate everybody watching the video. Make sure y'all actually like the video. It helps get the video out there. Subscribe to the channel, you feel me? Be posting way more lit videos in the future. More POV videos, of course, like this. The reason why I haven't been posting many a lot like this is because of the way that the transmission was and the dash lights. Of course, I don't like hearing people mouth about that. It's annoying because I really don't even care about them. I know what's wrong with it, I just haven't got around to it. So, but you know how people are. No matter how good your car is running, if you got dash lights, they're gonna say something. They just can't help but to say something. So we gonna do a pull up here. Just trying to let the car cool down a little bit. Give me some space with this van. Hopefully everything looks good. That's gonna do it, y'all. I appreciate y'all stopping by this video. Make sure y'all smash that like button, you feel me? Subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Let's get it. We gone. Get y'all some downshifts. Ain't that something, bright? Nice.
I hop in full speed, I'm going straight to the top.